Hey guys, what's going on? So what we thought would be fun for today's video is to talk about popular bird names. Now, according to a survey done by Pet Central at Chewy.com, the top 10 bird names are Kiwi, Baby, Sunny, Buddy, Charlie, Sunshine, Angel, Tiki, Tweety, and Mango. And this is not a sponsored video, we just came across this list online and thought it was pretty cool. So we were curious to see how the names of you all's birds compare to this list of the 10 most popular names. So what we'd like you all to do is leave in the comments the name of your bird and what type of bird it is, and we're going to go through all the comments and make our own list of the most popular bird names based on what you, our viewers, have told us. So make sure to tell us what type of bird you have and the bird's name, and we will release the results in a future video. And if you don't have a bird yet but are thinking of getting one, tell us what type of bird you're planning on getting and what you're planning on naming it. And here are some more fun bird names from the same site. For funny bird names, Merrill Cheap, Chick Jagger, Pipsqueak, Bubba, Puff Daddy, Papagallo, Hootie, Kanye Nest, Yaki, and Budgie. If you're looking for a famous bird name, you could use Daffy from the Looney Tunes, Zazu from the Lion King, Woodstock from Peanuts, Daisy, Donald Duck's girlfriend, Iago from Aladdin, Diablo from Sleeping Beauty, Becky from Finding Dory, Nigel from Finding Nemo, Big Bird from Sesame Street, or Hedwig from Harry Potter. And to view more lists of bird names, check out petcentral.chewy.com. Now stay tuned for more fun pillow and pearl footage that we're going to tack on the end here. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.